Hey guys, what's up? It's me JT and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you a new song to play on the ukulele, and that's gonna be Here's Your Perfect by Jamie Miller, since a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach that song. But before we start the tutorial, you know the drill, we are going to have a quick shout out. Alright, so shout out to Mylene Pineda, Joyce Absalon, Jaris Channel, Randy Luzon Jr., Myrel Manalo, Ana Margaret Valdez, Rain Estrada, Melchor Rulona, Hazel Manlangit, and lastly, shout out to Pauline May Padernal. Ayan, thank you so much guys. And for today's tutorial, I'll be using my Clifton A-Series ukulele, and if you're interested with this instrument, I will leave the purchase link and the product description on the description box below. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, so send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Here's your perfect. So in order to play the original key of the song, you need to have a ukulele capo or capo. So it looks like a clip, and you need to clip it here on the first fret of your ukulele. And you also need to learn 5 chords. So these chords are F, next is C, okay, followed by D minor, next is B flat, or also known as A sharp. Okay, so we have B flat, and next is B flat minor 7, wherein you're going to bar the entire first fret. Okay, so again, let's do the chord of F. So first thing that you're gonna do is you need to put your index finger here, then your middle finger should be placed on this string. Okay, so that's the chord of F. Next is C. So what you're going to do is you need to put your index finger here on the first string, 3rd fret. So if you already clipped your capo here, so that means this will be your 1st fret, 2nd, 3rd, and so on. So we have the chord of C. Then next is D minor. It looks like an F chord, but we're going to add our 4th finger on the string. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's D minor. Okay, and next is B flat or A sharp. So you need to bar this first 2 strings here on the 1st fret. And then you need to put this here, okay, on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And this one should be placed here on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Okay, so that's B flat or A sharp. Okay, next is B flat minor 7. You need to bar the entire 1st fret using your index finger, or you can also use any finger that you like. Okay, you can also use your middle finger, but I would like to use my index finger to bar the 1st fret. So those were the chords that you need to master in order to play this song, and I know those chords are a little bit difficult, especially for B flat and B flat minor 7, because I know there's a lot of you guys who doesn't like bar chords, and yeah, I'm one of them. Okay, I feel you guys, but don't worry, practice is always the key. Now the next thing that we're gonna learn today is the strumming pattern of the song. So yeah, basically for the entire song from start to finish, we're just going to strum it, no plucking pattern, no fingers down. Alright, so the first strumming pattern that we need to learn is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Ready, go. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Okay, slowly. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, and the next strumming pattern that you need to learn is, okay, let's try this chord. Let's shift to D minor. Let's do the down, down, up, down, up. Okay, again, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, one more time. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and let's transfer to C. Down, down, up, down, up. So basically, for the first verse of the song and also for the pre-chorus, what you're going to do is you need to do the first strumming pattern for F and C. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, and then transfer to C. Down, down, up, down, up. And for D minor and C, we're going to do the second strumming pattern. Down, down, up, and then C. Down, down, up, and then for the next chord, which is B flat or A sharp, so what you're going to do is you need to position your finger and then do the first strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it should sound like this one. I remember the day, even wrote down the day that I fell for you. Crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. Okay, so that's it. And then after that one, you're going to repeat. Okay, and it drives me insane. Think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go, but it's all in my head. It's just all in my head. But you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days, so send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Getting my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. Okay, so that's for the verse 1 and for the pre-chorus. And then after that one, we're going to jump to the next part, which is the chorus. Now for the chorus, still we're going to do the same strumming pattern, but with a slight variation. So for the first chord of the chorus, which is the chord of F, so we are going to do the same strumming pattern, wherein we're going to do the down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that's for the first chord of F. Next is the chord of C. Now for this one, we are going to do only half of the first strumming pattern. So that's down, down, up. Okay, down, down, up. Now for the remaining parts of that strumming pattern, yeah, so that's up, down, up, down, up. So we are going to do the B flat minor 7. Okay, so basically in one strumming pattern, there are 2 chords. So that's C and B flat minor 7. So it looks like this one. Down, down, up, and then up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's for C and B flat minor 7. Next is D minor and C. So for these chords, we are going to do the same thing to what we did earlier. So that's down, down, up, and then for C, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then after that one, we are going to do the B flat, wherein we are going to do the same strumming pattern. So that's down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's do it again from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, down, up. Transfer to C. Down, down, up, and then transfer chord. Up, down, up. And then after that one, D minor, down, down, up. C, down, down, up. And then B flat, down, down, up, down, up. So that's for the chorus. Now for the outro of the song, wherein you're going to sing the say yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, so we are going to do the same string pattern to what we did with the chorus. So chorus and outro has the same strumming pattern and same chords as well. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Here's your perfect. Alright, so let's try to sing the remaining parts of the song. So we have verse 2, pre-chorus, and then we're going to repeat the chorus, and then lastly we have the outro. My best was just fine. How I tried to be great for you. I'm flawed by design, and you love to remind me no matter what I do. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. See, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. He's your perfect. So that's it for our video today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, let me know the titles of the songs that you want me to teach on this channel by typing them on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!